हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आर्ट ऑफ मोटरसाइकिल। बहुत दिनों के बाद ये वाला ओपनिंग शॉट मैं ले रहा हूँ और आज एज यू सॉ इन द बी रोल्स सैटरडे था तो काम एकदम झकाझक बहुत बिजी था, तो बहुत सारा बैकग्राउंड नॉइस चल रहे थे। आज एक्चुअली मैं आर्ट ऑफ मोटरसाइकिल आके माया के ऊपर काम करना चालू करना चाहता था, बट देयर वाज टू मेनी पीपल एंड लॉट ऑफ इंटरेस्टिंग पीपल। इन दैट आई मेट वन पर्सन हु वाज रेसिंग RD350 इन 1980s and he used to do rallying. तो हम दोनों बात करने बैठ गए and obviously when you meet a person from that era, तो it was a fanboy moment for me और मैं just randomly बात करते हुए बैठ गया। Then I was like, अरे यार इनको तो vlog में लेना ही चाहिए। I totally forgot on working on Maya और इनके साथ मैं बात करने में बैठ गया और he was also not that when I asked him can you be a part of my vlog, he was literally अब देखोगे क्या क्या हुआ। Then I somehow convinced him and we were just talking and he was a bit camera shy, तो वो थोड़ा सा उनको नॉर्मल सी में लेके आने के लिए बहुत टाइम लगा। I shot couple of moments with him जहाँ पे मैंने अपने भाई को दे दिया and he started recording it and we started talking. So हाँ, it was not a complete perfect interview kind of a thing, but there are certain glimpses which I want you to see first and उसके बाद आगे की कहानी बढ़ाते हैं। What do you say? अभी एक इंसान के साथ मेरा अभी मुलाकात हुआ। He just came with his brand new motorcycle. अभी इसका नंबर तक नहीं आया हुआ है। He just got this motorcycle, पूजा हुआ है and this person, ये मैं नहीं बोलूँगा, ये सर ही बात करेंगे। And I was just अभी 10 मिनट हमने बात किया and we went back and came back. No, ये देखो हाथ पैर सब कुछ कर रहे हैं।
नहीं सर, प्लीज
नहीं सर, you these are the things, these are actually knowledge what we want.
No, you have a lot of knowledge.
I don't have knowledge sir, but I want to listen to those stories. No. Sir, please sir.
I am very embarrassed. What karo?
It's not about embarrassment sir, these are
I'm bad at it.
Bhai,
You can.
okay, you just talk the way you were talking. Forget about this
After seeing
creator.
this,
No. Forget about this person. He just started talking. He never introduced me with your
My
name.
name is Kalyan.
Kalyan sir. Sir, when was the first time when you rode a motorcycle?
I think I was born in a place called Munnar.
Okay.
So that is where I learned my motorcycle.
Okay.
Hill station.
Okay.
And even cars I used to learn.
Which was your first motorcycle?
I think in Munnar, Java is the
Yeah.
predominant motor, not even SD.
When was it?
I think when I was in 10th standard, which was 81.
81.
Used to do it quietly because my father is against riding motorcycle till I get my license.
Okay.
And I can't get license till I was 18.
Right. So you were 16 when you.
Yeah. So 2 years either over, ride here and there in the estate roads.
Okay.
Inside the tea plantations. Then 18, I got the license.
Riding,
And
racing, rallying.
first time I bought my bike was, but the RD350 was never mine. It used to be a second bike.
Uh-huh.
We used to buy for some.
Low torque or high torque?
No, no. Blank, bare engine and the frame, nothing else. Then take it to the workshop, open up the whole thing, do the whole thing, higher bore,
Yeah.
bigger bore, and the whole
Yeah,
nine
the
yards.
same thing what we used to do with our RX, purchase the RX G and convert into 135 or all the whatever things is not required, because RX G was much more cheaper
Correct.
to buy.
Then, spend some 3,000-4,000 rupees, sponsored money.
Yeah. 99 2000 is when I entered the motorcycling industry, and that point of time we used to have every alternate week we used to have a dirt track race, autocross. Then we used to every month we used to have at least Bangalore, nearby Bangalore, Mysore, Chikmagalur. Then at least in a year we used to have two to three championships.
Always Bangalore, Pune, and Coimbatore is a
Yeah,
three automobile crazy cities.
motorcycling crazy cities.
Exactly.
And Coimbatore was that point of time the engineering hub.
Oh, yeah.
Then the technology hub became Bangalore.
Correct.
Then Bangalore to Coimbatore, and Pune used to be all the import hub.
Yeah.
All the import parts and everything from Mumbai, Pune together they used to come and enter. And whichever races होते हैं, means अभी हम लोग इंग्लिश में इसलिए बात कर रहे हैं कि हम दोनों का अगर ये तमिल में बात करना चालू कर ले और मैं कन्नड़ा में बात करना चालू करूँ तो आपको कुछ नहीं समझ में आएगा, इसलिए कॉमन लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश में बात करें, साउथ इंडियन से यार। तो रैली हो या रेसिंग हो, वो वहाँ पे राइडर शुड बी एज गुड एज अ मैकेनिक, बिकॉज उस टाइम पे आपको रैली में चलाना होता है या कोई भी रेस में चलाना होता है, यू हैव टू बी ए मैकेनिक फर्स्ट, देन अ रेसर, एंड देन अ नेविगेटर, बिकॉज व्हेन यू आर रिटायरिंग यू स्टार्ट बिकमिंग अ नेविगेटर रादर देन बीइंग अ रेसर.
It also is interest. Some people will say, I don't want to ride. My friend used to be like that. He says, man, Marco, I don't want to ride, but I'll navigate.
I'll be a pilot.
Yeah, I'll navigate and you ride. But he used to be good in that, the sense of direction and all that stuff. So that's very important for a navigator.
Yeah, and sorry to ask you, sir, how old are you?
I'm now 54.
54. Then new wife, new lady, new girlfriend in the house.
The whole family, is behind.
Why?
So my wife rides. So
Nice.
and my daughter wants to learn, so I said, I will try to teach you, or I will put you in a good training institute. So she is a little hesitant because I taught her the car
Okay.
in an Endeavour.
Mm.
So I removed the speedometer cable in the car and said, you listen to the engine and change the gears.
Yes.
Okay, then I don't want to see 10 में first, 20 में second, 30 में third, वो नहीं होगा. Listen to the engine and change the gears.
Feel and ride.
Yeah, so-
Feel and ride. And that's how we used to be. Because first of all, I used to race a 1969 model army auction, re-registered in 1982. जंग को लेके उसे वापस बना के, that's how we used to buy bullets. And वापस बना के, that's my Xena. And that point of time, if I have to race that, if I have to participate in a race, meter used to never work. Never work. तो बुलेट को बुलेट पे चलाने के लिए पहले बुलेट को धक्का मारो, उसके बाद उसे स्टार्ट करो, उसके बाद उसका क्लच केबल चेंज करना सीखो, और उसका क्या एक्सीलरेटर केबल डालना सीखो, और पीछे का चेन एडजस्ट करना, पीछे का व्हील खोल के वापस बिठाना सीखो, उसके बाद आप बुलेट चला सकते हो.
I used to have a nightmare with bullet. I never had the ability to use my left legs for my brakes. So many a times, instead of braking, I had put on the fourth gear and
got inside.
faster gear and gotten hit.
See, that's
So
the
after that, I never touched bullet.
No, for me, that was the whole point. After the racing was there in 1960, when Bose sir was racing, and not the freedom fighter Subhash Chandra Bose, there's one more Subhash Chandra Bose from Chennai, a legend. And that point of time, movie stars to even politicians used to appreciate and be fans of a racer. right? If you are a rally guy, if you are a racer and you have a motorcycle, means that you are a Top Gun guy.
The one you are talking about, the cool couple, they are fairly well known.
They're like famous way before Instagram, way before Facebook, way before internet.
They are fairly very well known.
And that's the whole essence of racing and riding and motorcycle.
Passion still continues.
And
I see a lot of people today are wanting to be bikers, right?
Yes.
Bikers for being a biker.
Yeah. See, sir, like you're talking about your time, I'm talking about my time. See, in my time when it was the highest CC of motorcycle was a Royal Enfield. CBZ came after 2002, 2001, 2002. Then Fiero came. YBX was there. And the only higher CC motorcycle was a Royal Enfield 350 or a 500 or a 535 CC.
500 was there, okay?
Yeah, 500 came in, 535 came in 99, 2000. First it was City Bike. 97 is when Cast Iron 500 came. And 535 just came for, from 99 it was City Bike, 500 cc. 2000, 2001 it was 535 cc. It was only 335 vehicles, approximate 315, 335 vehicles manufactured, and it was an export vehicle. And only 315 were sold in India. In that 15 vehicles came with electric start, the first electric start with the 14 amp battery and everything. I had one. That's how I know all this history.
Very good.
And yeah, I still have 3 535cc Lightnings.
Very good.
You can see those over there. We had to, if you are buying a scooter, you need to know how to remove, and you have to get around 10 times jhatka shock from that cable.
Correct.
And how to clean the carburetor and air filter. पर आज क्या हो रहा है ना सर, आज मोटरसाइकिल चलाने से ज़्यादा मोटरसाइकिल बनाने में ज़्यादा लोग टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं. See, what we used to do is, we used to buy a motorcycle the way it used to come. Then the only upgrade what we used to do is the handlebar.
Correct. Handlebar, and if you may increase the engine bore if you are desperate.
Yeah, if you are desperate. And that too, there was a procedure.
Yeah.
There was a procedure. If you had to change the bore size or increase the compression or anything, you had to literally wait for a month after giving to a mechanic. Okay? And if you are giving it for painting and engine work,
Must go again.
3 months, 6 months, one vehicle. Right? So, yeah, it was slow, but it was a process, but the work was genuine. And once a bullet used to get prepared, and once it is gone, one year you need not have to work on. And the time mechanics used to give guarantee for engine for 5 years.
The friend I was talking about, when he is trying to fix the engine, and after flipping apart, he generally starts after the work is done. He will do it overnight, and he should not be disturbed. He will do overnight with one bachu next to him who understands him, and by morning the engine will be done.